hello guys, back with me, Dr. Ulka. Now we are gonna talk about the base class. So we're gonna create a base class here in Unity. Right. No, I think I'm just gonna name this student. Yeah, I'm gonna make a class about student. Okay, let's open it. Okay, so we have the script already. I'm gonna change this to student. Okay, and okay, so we're gonna delete this. Actually, if guys have learned about base class in your lab session, I think the lab notes unit 1.2 if I'm not mistaken, but I'm pretty sure you guys don't understand what it is, why we have to put public void. What is public void actually? So public void actually it's a base class. Mm, okay, so just delete this and we're gonna start with public void um, student is doing study. Okay, and I'm just gonna show the debug log. Okay, and have to. Okay, I'm just gonna change it to should to study. Okay, not have to study, but you should study. So whether you study or not, it all depends on you, right? Okay, then we're gonna make a public void. um, what else student needs? um, Organization, I would say. So debug log should how to say should be active in organization. That's my suggestion, so you can learn soft skill which will be very important for you for working in the real industry later. So we're gonna save this. Okay, all right. So we are now arriving in our script again. So we want to uh, assign this script to the cube. Okay, so let's just drag it, student, and please untick this. Okay, so it's just gonna active on the student script. I mean, it's just gonna work on the student script only. So let's just play it. Okay, is there any error? Okay, so now we're gonna make a new class, which is the derived class from the base class student just now. So just create a new CSharp script again and name it what to say, um, worker. Okay, so open this. Okay guys, then we have to change the mono behavior to the student just now, because why we have to change, because we want to make worker class as the derived class from the student class as the base class. So if we put here mono behavior, means it's gonna derive from mono behavior, not from the student. So we have to change it to student. Okay, and now in start we're gonna add the code. Okay, so the code is from the student class that we create just now. So debug log, just say a worker can do so it can be I think study, the one that I put just now, and then organization. Okay, alright, then we're gonna put another code, which is the one that we want to put in the method. So okay, let's just do this first. I'm gonna add a new method in the worker class. Okay guys, so for it, working, of course, working. uh, okay, so debug log working. Alright, so because we add here working, we want worker class also able to access the working method. So we put here working. Alright. Okay, so just save it. Okay. Okay, so now we are back in Unity and we want to assign the cube the worker script. Okay, alright, so we should just delete this script, remove component. Okay, so we have assigned the worker script and we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Just hit the play button and go to console. Yep, it works. A worker can do. Okay, should to study, should be active in organization and working. I think that makes sense. Okay, so you can see that okay, you can see that firstly we have the student uh, student class as the base class, so we put here from mono behavior, so it derived from mono behavior. So we have study as the method and organization as the method, and then we make the derived class, which is the worker class, from the student. Okay, so we put here we want the worker student as the derived class from the student, means it can access the method in the student class. So that's why we put here the method in student class, which are student and study and organization. Okay, then we also put another method in the worker class itself, which is working. What is working? We have explained here that the working is working. Yes, the backlog working. Alright, so I think that's all. I hope you guys understand. Okay, so you can create the base class and make the derived class, and make the derived class possible to access the method, of course, in the base class, and even create the um, the base class itself, and even create the method in the derived class itself, I mean. Alright, so